printing should be easy, right? But for many Odoo users, it often turns into a time-consuming task filled with delays and setup issues. That's where Odoo Print Direct steps in, your one-stop solution for effortless and instant printing on any printer. It delivers fast receipt printing, requires no extra subscription, and works smoothly across desktops, laptops, mobile devices, iPads, and tablets. With Odoo Print Direct, you can print invoices, labels, and more directly without downloading or switching tabs. It saves time and simplifies workflows for high volume businesses. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have user guides for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. With me, I have an iOS device and a printer, and now we will explore how Odoo Print Direct connects and prints step by step. Now, open the Odoo Print Direct app on your iOS device and enter the details: URL, database name, email, password, then click Login. Now, select the printer you want to connect, and the connection will be established between the iOS device and the printer. Next, navigate to the Odoo website. From the home menu, select Print Direct option, click on Hosts, and do the printer configuration by clicking Add a line to add a new printer in your Odoo system. Enter the details like printer name, printer type, and choose the actions you want to perform by add a line in the reports. Set it as active and click on Save and Close. Now it's time to print. Now move to the sales module. Open any order you want to print. Click on Print option. Select the desired print option. Your print is ready. So that's the complete setup of Odoo Print Direct, helping you print faster and easier no matter what device you use. If you found this video helpful, press the like button or share your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.qvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.